Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham. What's going on? At a client's property that he owns. It's his second property. Eric, super proud of you, my friend. This house is gigantic. Eric purchased it for $45,000. There's a couple different ways we could have gone with it. We could have gone the very light way and just done a small amount of rehab, or we could have gone the monster way, added a bedroom, really actually added 2 bedrooms, turning this thing into a huge 4-bedroom house and doing this the right way. And that's what we're doing. So guys, I'm gonna take you into this house. It is absolutely gigantic. Let's head on in. Just kidding, we're not going in that way. We're headed all the way around. Guys, this walkway, super cool. This is such a cool wraparound porch. Something that down here in Birmingham, very old school, very classy, very cool. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna walk in here into our living room, okay? This is one of the living rooms in the house. Everything in here being repainted. This room is almost done being repainted. It looks great. All new flooring throughout the whole house. All new carpets are going down everywhere. We need a ton of carpeting because the house is huge, which you guys will see. So guys, we're gonna carpet in here. We're gonna carpet in here. Cool little vestibule room over here. You could turn this into a dining room as well. And then moving this way, guys, into the kitchen. All this is gonna be cleaned up. All new flooring in here. We're gonna take care of all these cabinets, okay? Everything over here is gonna be cleaned up. We're gonna paint everything in here as well. Your washer dryer hookups right here. Heading into here, we have our water heater. We have a huge mudroom off the back that you can use for a bunch of different things. You can even come in through this way if you'd like to. At one point or another, this was probably the laundry room, but all the hookups have been moved over time into the kitchen. So really nice space in here. All this will be carpeted as well. You guys can see, it's flooring, but it's beat. And a lot of times the videos don't do it justice, but it really is beat up. It's really poor under your feet. It's very uneven, very soft and spongy in places too. So a lot of times when we come in here, we put carpets down everywhere. It's because what we want to do is we want to level the floors off, which we do underneath the pads and underneath the carpet. But also the carpet is super nice. It's soft, and a lot of times we're renting these units out to mothers with a lot of kids. The kids love the carpet. People stay in the units for a very long time. So guys, moving into here, into our bathroom, okay? We're putting all new flooring in the bathroom as well. So all this awful vinyl flooring is gonna be coming up, and we'll put all new stuff here in the bathroom. We have to reglaze the tub. The glaze on the tub is coming undone. Okay, and then guys, we enter bedroom number 1. All right, so this is bedroom number 1. We have our closet right here. We have our bedroom. It's the smallest of the bedrooms, but it is nonetheless, it is still even a good sized bedroom for a small bedroom. So moving into here, we have bedroom number 2. Okay, bedroom number 2 is huge. You have 2 huge closets, old fireplace that's been capped, 2 big windows, you have a door to the other bedroom, and you have a door to the hallway. So extremely spacious in here. So we've already painted some parts of the house, put all new light fixtures in, and there will still be some fixtures going in, but looks really good. So moving guys through this hallway, and the hallway's huge. It's just such a great space. It really is. We come into what used to be a library, a secondary living room, a secondary space that you could share, a big living room, 2 living rooms, sitting room, whatever you want it to be. What we decided was, why don't we build a wall right here, create a 4-bedroom home, have 2 gigantic bedrooms with closets, with fireplaces. Now, of course, they're decoration, right? But you still have the fireplace here, okay? But this is gonna be a bedroom. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna wall off this entire thing, and you'll have a bedroom here, and then you'll have a bedroom here. And the cool thing about it is, now we discussed, you know, well, what if you have kids and you want them to be able to go bedroom to bedroom really easily? You still want aspects of privacy, okay? And right now, guys, if these are closed, you can see through, okay? Some of these are opaque and some are crystal clear. That's actually plexi, that's glass, but you can see right through. So we want it to be private. We want people to have their own space. We don't want things to be too open. Now, this is a bedroom, unbelievably cool also. Has a fireplace for decoration, has 2 huge windows, has the closet. So it's gonna be an awesome, awesome bedroom. Now, one thing we're also doing in here, we're putting in a brand new HVAC system, okay? Brand new, all new ductwork, brand new HVAC, heating, cooling, the whole 9 yards. And it has to be a huge system because the house is huge, it's really wide open, the ceilings are really high. So the unit we're gonna have to put in here is gonna be very sizable. So on this, the entire rehab here was $45,000. Purchase price was $45,000. So the client's all into it for $90,000. It's gonna rent for somewhere between $1,300 and probably $1,350 would be my guess, as a 4-bedroom home. It's really, really nice. It's really, really nice. It's gonna be an absolute monster when we're done with it. And usually, sometimes guys, on these old homes, I try to stay away from them because you never know what you're gonna find when you're digging through the walls, when you're putting things in, when you're taking things apart. But the bones of this house are so great. It's really hard to find houses that are in this good a shape. Now, keep in mind, the acquisition cost is $45,000. Of course, we're still putting a ton of money into it. But with that being said, it's gonna be the nicest house on the street. The ARV on this, I don't even know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be, maybe 120, 140, because it's probably somewhere near, if I had to guess, it's only 1 floor, so I would probably guess it's somewhere around 2,400 square feet. The rooms are huge, it's gigantic, it'll be a 4-bedroom. So it's gonna have a great ARV on it, and the rehab here should be done in a matter of weeks. So really happy for Eric. It's his 2nd property down here in Birmingham. He's been really, really successful, and this is just adding another one to the list. So Eric, super happy for you, and that's it, guys. Leave your questions and comments below, and we'll see you next time.